When people think about frivolous cases, they're almost always talking about like the fake car accident or the exaggerated injuries that people bring in, like the personal injury world, where I used to be a trial lawyer. When it comes to arbitrations against Amazon, if Amazon asserts what is deemed to be a frivolous defense, you may be able to recover the cost of the arbitration from Amazon. You also need to be a bit fearful that if your claims are frivolous, for example, if you were selling counterfeit products knowingly or unknowingly, Amazon could bring claims against you that your entire case was frivolous because you're trying to get paid for the sale of counterfeit products. So frivolous can apply to claims. It can also apply to the defenses. And it's just one more issue among dozens of issues you need to consider if you are thinking about bringing Amazon to arbitration to recover money, recover inventory, or obtain an order requiring Amazon to pay for your inventory. You want to learn more? Go to AmazonSellersLawyer.com, go to our blog, put in the word arbitration, and you will find literally dozens and dozens of free content, videos, and articles about what you need to know if you're thinking about bringing Amazon to arbitration.